Welcome to my series Analytics for All. My name is Dr. Neeraj Bali, and today we are going to discuss about data versus information. So, what is data? Data is raw and it is unorganized. So, when we're talking about data, it can be numbers, words, simple observations, all without context of meaning. Data is like collection of puzzle pieces scattered on a table waiting to be assembled. So what is information? Contrary to data, it is organized and processed. Information is the result of organizing and processing data. It provides context and meaning to the raw data. When data is processed, it answers a question or provides an insight, transforming it into information. Information helps us understand the world around us. So let's take an example. Imagine you are in a grocery store. Data would be the list of every item scanned: apple, banana, milk, whatever you take. But information is what happens when you organize this data. So, what the customer took was 2 apples, 2 bananas, 1 milk, and 1 bread. So, apples and banana are our most popular fruit with the customer. So, this is, we are processing the data into information. So, data is scattered without any, processing. But after it is processed, we get some information. And based upon this information, we can take some decisions. So data becomes information when it answers a question or provides an insight. It transforms raw facts into meaningful knowledge. This conversion adds value and context, enabling informed decisions and understanding. So this is a summary. Thanks for listening to me.